Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the versatile Sorbus Nightstand with 2 drawers, a multifunctional piece perfect for any room in your home. This nightstand isn't just for the bedroom, it can also serve as a dresser, end table, or side table, offering ample storage for everything from clothes and linens to office supplies and gadgets. Constructed with a sturdy steel frame, it features 2 layers of non-woven fabric drawers, durable handles, and a wooden, waterproof top that's easy to clean, ensuring both durability and style. Its simple yet elegant design complements a variety of decor styles, whether traditional, rustic, or modern, making it a seamless addition to any space, be it your bedroom, office, or dorm room. The spacious fabric drawers, each approximately 8 inches deep, provide plenty of room for your nighttime essentials, while the wood top is perfect for keeping your alarm clock, phone, and eyeglasses within easy reach. Assembly is a breeze, with all necessary hardware and instructions included, allowing you to organize your space in no time. Measuring 15.75 inches in length, 11.87 inches in width, and 22.2 inches in height, the Sorbus Nightstand is the ideal solution for stylish and practical storage. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.